Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to mute background audio in OBS for both your stream and recording. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once you have OBS running, you'll see that there are several ways to mute background audio depending on your specific needs and setup. Start by navigating to the audio mixer section, which you'll find in the lower part of your OBS interface. Here, you can simply click the speaker icon next to either desktop audio or mic/auxiliary, depending on which audio source you want to control. This gives you quick muting access, but we're going to explore more advanced options as well. Now, look below the audio mixer and click the gear icon. This will open up your advanced audio properties where you have much more control over how your audio behaves during streaming and recording. For example, if you're using mic/aux in your streaming and recording setup, navigate to the mic/aux row in this menu. You'll see a drop-down menu under audio monitoring. Click on it and select monitor and output from the options. What this does is allow you to hear the audio through your headphones or speakers while ensuring the audio still goes to your stream and recording. This is especially useful for monitoring your own voice levels in real time. Then, if you're using desktop audio in your streaming and recording, follow the same process. Click the drop-down menu under Audio Monitoring for desktop audio and select Monitor and Output. This ensures that all system sounds, game audio, or music you're playing will be monitored by you and sent to your stream and recording simultaneously. Once you've configured these settings, click the Close button in the bottom right corner to save all your changes. Now, let's take it a step further with filters. Navigate back to mic/aux if you're using this source in your streaming and recording. You'll notice a small icon right beside it. Click on that icon and then select Filters from the menu that appears. In the Filters window, look at the left side where you'll see a plus icon. Click on it and then select Noise Gate from the list. After selecting it, click OK to apply the filter. The Noise Gate helps eliminate background noise when you're not speaking by cutting off audio below a certain threshold. Next, click the plus icon again on the left side. This time, select Noise Suppression and click OK. This filter actively reduces constant background noise like fans, air conditioning, or computer hum, giving your audio a much cleaner and more professional sound. Finally, click the Close button to finish applying all your filters. And that's it! You've successfully configured your audio settings in OBS to mute and manage background audio for both streaming and recording. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.